Hello, yummy. Happy New Year. May this year bring so much prosperity and victory. And I want to thank you also for your support and your love. May the Almighty God reward you all for your support. In today's video, I learned this garden egg stew recipe about 8 months now. And as you can see by the title, from Daakyehenmaa, and ever since have become my favorite all-time recipe I have ever learned so far. So if today is your first time on this channel, then kindly hit the red subscribe button and not forgetting the notification bell, turn it on so that we learn new recipes each and every week. I'm Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. So I will be listing all my ingredients I used in the description, so kindly check it out. And if no one has told you you are beautiful today, let me be the first person to tell you, you are beautiful. You are unique. Stay beautiful, stay unique. Do not let anyone suppress you. So let's start with the stew. First of all, add oil to your saucepan and add in your sliced chopped onions. Fry for some time and then grind your pepper in your earthenware or your blender, or you can as well use powdered pepper. So what I added was salt to enable or to help me grind my pepper faster. After you are done, I'll go ahead and add my grounded pepper. So I was left with small, when you finish grinding, I rinsed the apatoyo and added back the water. So the tomatoes is not well cooked. I add in sliced garden eggs and then cover it. So you will notice the garden eggs is not cooked. It's going to cook with the tomatoes. So after some time, just add water, salt, and stir well. Then cover it to cook. So be sure to be stirring at intervals to avoid burning the stew. When you notice garden eggs is cooked, add in cooked mackerel and extra sliced onions. So in Ghana we call this fish salmon. Yeah. If you want your onions crunchy, then I would advise you don't add it at this point. You wait till when you're almost done before you add to it. So I then cover it for 3 minutes, add a little maggi and leave it for a minute. I give it a stir and add curry powder, a tin of sardine, and then garlic powder. This stew doesn't really need a lot of spices, so be sure to be generous with your spices. So if you have cooked eggs, go ahead and add it to the stew. Stir and add the last ingredient, which is chopped spring onions.
Yummy cat. Yummy cat.
Stir and off the heat.
Yummy cat.
Take it from the heat and serve with your boiled yam or rice. Don't forget to hire the service of Madam Avocado to accompany it. So simple and really nutritious. Thank you so much. Since you have forgotten to subscribe, then I'm reminding you, Yummy, to subscribe and turn on the notification icon. Thank you so much. Till I see you in my next video, I love you. Tschüss.